India initiated public health measures to prevent and contain the spread of SARS and CoV-2 since January 2020. In fact, within less than 24 hours of the first information that was received by the whole world from China through WHO, we had called our first meeting of group of experts, and these measures which have been taken over the last more than 8 months now have resulted in a case fatality rate of 1.68%, which is amongst the lowest in the world. To summarize, I would say that a number of measures were undertaken, such as issuing relevant travel advisories from time to time, creation of quarantine facilities for quarantining of persons returning from countries which reported cases of COVID-19, guidelines for community level surveillance, scaling up of testing facilities, tracking and tracing and testing of all suspect cases, establishment of COVID care centers, establishment of dedicated COVID health centers, and also dedicated COVID hospitals for the treatment of asymptomatic to mild, moderate and severe patients of COVID-19, increasing domestic production capacities for PPEs, ventilators and other medical items required for the treatment of COVID-19 patients. Also developing guidelines for infection prevention and control, testing protocols, clinical management, laboratory capacity for testing samples of SARS and CoV-2 using RT-PCR technique was increased from 1 lab in January 2020 to 1,678 labs now, including those in the government and private sector, where we use RT-PCR, TrueNAT and CBNAT technology. In fact, in a vast country like India, today within a traveling time of about 3 hours, we have an ordinary citizen in the country has access to a free testing facility. The network of laboratories has been developed all across the country, and testing laboratories are supported by a network of referral laboratories also, which collect and transport samples to the testing labs. Further, testing kits using rapid antigen assay and rapid antibody assay were also developed within the country and distributed to all states and UTs to enable testing and at the field level and also in containment zones, so that we could obtain results in a very short time span. Due to this capacity increase, right now more than 1 million tests per day are being conducted on a regular basis, which has helped direct a significant number of asymptomatic cases and contacts of confirmed cases. In fact, yesterday itself we tested almost over 1.1 million people, and this has significantly strengthened and helped in strengthening our surveillance and containment measures.